Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Bless My Set Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance 909 Are You. The song is Are You Even Real? The artist is Teddy Swims and GIVEON. The choreography is Eric and TISH Jennings. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video, and let's get it.
Give me love, don't think I deserve, but I can't get enough. You're so beautiful, spiritual, more like a miracle. Gotta be spiritual, I be invisible. It's good to be true. Are you? Are you? Are you? Are you? Questions that I ask ever since I met you. Tell me, are you? Are you? Are you? Are you? Are you? Something from a dream, something that I made. Questions that I ask every time I wake up. You never do too much. From me, I can feel the rush. Even when you're slow and far, looking at you laying right there. Are you from this world? I swear you're beautiful, spiritual. I just want you to know, is it I pretend it's something I'm in real? I don't know what to think. If it's all a dream, I don't wanna wake up. Are you? Are you?
And there you go, 909 Are You. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.